Hi, in this session today we will discuss about pledge in detail. Well, actually, it's a relatively short topic of today, but let's start. Uh, Section 172 of the Indian Contract Act defines pledge as the bailment of goods as per security for payments of a debt or performance of a promise is called pledge. There are certain essential elements of a pledge. The first one is delivery of possession. It is an essential element that the possession of the goods must be delivered by the pawner to the pawnee. The ownership remains with the pawner though. Possession of the pawnee may be of two kinds. It can be actual delivery or it can be a constructive delivery as well. The second essential element is delivery should be upon a contract. The delivery of possession should be made in pursuance of a contract of pledge. Thus, the delivery of goods should be made with an intention to create a pledge. It is not necessary that delivery of the goods and the advance of money to be simultaneous. It can happen at different times as well. Delivery should be for the purpose of security. The pawner should deliver the goods to the pawnee as a security for the payment of a loan or for the fulfillment of an obligation. And the last element is delivery should be upon a condition to return. The goods should be delivered to the pawnee as a security for some loan or for the fulfillment of the promise. When the loan is repaid or the promise is fulfilled, the security should be returned to the pawner back. There are certain rights of a pawner and duties of a pawner which we can look at. The duty of the pawnee is to take reasonable care of the goods pledged, not to make any unauthorized use of the goods pledged without the permission of the pawnee, not to mix the goods pledged with his own goods, not to do any act in violation to the terms of the contracts of pledge and of the provisions of the Contract Act, to return the goods pledged on the receipt of his full duties, and to deliver any acceleration of the goods pledged. They're very similar to the bailment that we had, but still these are the specific ones which are related to duties of a pawnee. Rights of a pawnee, enforcement of pawnee's duty. He has full rights that if any of the duties listed over here are not performed by the pawnee, he has the rights to go to the court of law and make sure the enforcements of the pawnee duties happen. Defaulting pawner's right to redeem as per section 177. So these are the rights of a pawnee and duties of a pawnee. And it's a small session today on the pledge. You can download this presentation from www.juristknowledge.com. Thank you.